Sir, I am thankful to you. You have given me an opportunity to put forth my views about this paper leak and NEET examination घोटाला and नो चंदा चोरी तो है ही है, सब उसके समर्थक उधर बैठे हैं, लेकिन सर ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है, ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है जो लाखों बच्चों की जो भविष्य है उनके भविष्य के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूं और उसके लिए आज यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे हजारों बच्चे वहां पर आए हैं, वहां लाठी चार्ज हो गया है, गवर्नमेंट मारने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट दबाने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रही है और the house is adjourned till 12 noon today.
Honorable members, on behalf of the entire House and myself, I welcome the new members. I also extend a warm welcome to all of you as we begin the 271st session of the Rajya Sabha. This House has a proud tradition of meaningful deliberations, and I am confident this session will uphold the legacy. We have 19 sittings before us, and it is our collective responsibility to utilize this valuable time to debate and decide on issues of national importance. Honorable members, from this session, the Secretariat has introduced live AI-based simultaneous interpretation of the proceedings in 9 languages through the multimedia devices at members' seats. This facility will gradually be expanded to all the 22 scheduled languages. Members are requested to share their feedback for its further improvement. This session has an important legislative and deliberative agenda. I urge members to remain focused on the timely disposal of business, as every disruption delays discussion on matters affecting the nation and the people we represent. I appeal to members across all sides of the House to uphold the dignity, discipline, and decorum of this august institution. While differences of opinion are integral to parliamentary democracy, they must be expressed in a manner that preserves the sanctity of the House. Disruptions should not be allowed to undermine its functioning. With these words, I wish you all a productive, constructive, and purposeful session. Coming, please. I am coming. Papers to be laid on the table, Secretary General.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a statement in English and Hindi showing the bills passed by the Houses of Parliament during the 270th session of Rajya Sabha and assented to by the President.
Dr. L. Muruganji.
Mr. Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table under subclass A of class 2 of the Article 123 of the Constitution, a copy each in English and Hindi of the following ordinances. One, the Supreme Court number of judges amendment ordinance 2026, number 1 of 2026, proclaimed by the President on the 16th May 2026, and the Income Tax Amendment Ordinance 2026, number 2 of 2026, proclaimed by the President on the 5th June 2026. Thanks.
Stated by my Minister, Sriman Suresh Gobiji.
Most respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to make the statement in the House listed against my name at serial number 4 in today's list of business regarding the status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 4th report, 18th Lok Sabha, of the Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas on litigations involving oil PSUs pertaining to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. This may please be considered as read. Thank you.
Shriman Sanjay Jetji to move a motion for election of one member to the Central Advisory Committee for the National Cadet Corps.
Honorable Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, rise to move the motion that in pursuance of Clause 1 of subsection 1 of the Section 12, read with the subsection 1A of Section 12 of the National Cadet Corps Act 1948, this House do proceed to elect in such a manner as the chairman may direct one member from amongst the members of the House to be a member of the Central Advisory Committee for the National Cadet Corps.
Motion moved. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. I have to inform the members that the consequent upon his re-election as the Rajya Sabha with effect from 26th of June 2026, I have accorded recognition to Shriman Mallikarjun Kharge ji, member and the leader of the Indian National Congress Party in Rajya Sabha, as the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha with effect from 26th of June 2026. One more on. I have to inform members that a communication has been received from the Dr. Dharmasthala Virendra Hegde, member for grant of leave of absence for the entire sittings of the current 271st session of Rajya Sabha on medical grounds. Thus, he has the permission of the House for remaining absent for the duration of leave which he has sought. Permission to remain absent is granted. I have to inform the members that I had received letters from 7 members, namely Srimati Sunetra Ajit Pawarji, Shriman Thiru C.V. Shanmugamji, Shriman Debashish Samantrai, Shriman Sugant Segar Rai, Miss Susmita Devji, Shriman Prakash Singh Paraik, Srimati Rukmini Mallik, resigning their seats in the Rajya Sabha. I had accepted their resignations with effect from 6th of May 2026, 7th of May 2026, 25th of May 2026, 8th of June 2026, 10th of June 2026, 11th of June 2026, and 16th of July 2026, respectively.
But you've already sworn them in before.
I have accepted the dates. I have already accepted the dates.
now.
You are not following.
This is
You are not
impropriety.
listening to me what I have to
This
do.
is impropriety,
On different
sir.
dates they have been resigned. I am telling you the dates also. You are not listening to my full speech. What I can